I'm Jon Larson, Technical Trainer for Epiroc USA, Surface and Exploration Drilling. Today we're going to be talking about resetting the length sensor on a SmartROC T40 drilling rig. To begin, you can see we're on our main drilling screen right here. What we're going to do is scroll down from that to the one with the wrench symbols. We'll select that, make sure we're entered with our SE level password. Once we've selected the wrenches, we want to change the user and enter our SE password in. Once that's done, we can scroll over to the length and cradle positions. Select that, scroll all the way over to emergency mode length sensor. Check that box, ensure that we're in drill mode, and bring the cradle all the way to the top. Do this slowly so it doesn't jam and hit the mechanical stop in a harsh fashion. Now that we've zeroed it, we know we're all the way to the top. We can deselect the emergency mode length sensor, scroll up to reset length sensor, and click the button. This screen will pop up. We want to confirm it. Yes. Now our length sensor is reset. If you need further assistance with this, please contact your local Epiroc service center or the dealer in your area.